Hey, Andrea, this is RJ Bates calling about your property there in Peralta that you had entered on my website. Are you still looking to sell that property?
Yes.
Awesome. All righty. How much were you looking to get for that property?
80, at least 80.
80. Okay. And tell me a little bit about what's going on with it.
Sure. A good friend of ours owns it, and when we got here, it was just trash. And he basically said he paid us to fix it. So I'm just kind of speaking for him. He's the owner. So and when I'm looking for the right person to get sold to, and then I'll turn you over to the owner of the house, really. But so we fixed it all up, and there's just very, very, very few things that need to be done, but it's ready to go, and I'm ready to go. I'm ready. We need to leave. We need to go home to Kansas, and so we've done all the work that we just need to go.
Gotcha. When you say there's very little that's left, it sounds like you're knowledgeable about it. So what needs to be finished?
Well, the roof it was originally a tin roof, and we decided to put a new roof on it.
Hi, Bubba.
OSB down, top paper, and shingles. The materials here, it just haven't quite been finished yet. The door frames, they're all here. Not door frames, but the door frames, the things that go around the doors. They're all here. They just haven't been put up yet. I'm still working on the house. You know, I work on it every day. I will continue to work on it every day until we leave to go back home. And a little bit of mud and tape in the living room and kitchen, and that's really about it. I mean, just little stuff here and there.
Gotcha. So can you give me a little bit of idea of what you had? Because you said it was a mess when you got there. So what all have you done to it?
The list of what we haven't done would be shorter.
Okay. So it has new floors, like bathrooms and kitchen and stuff like that. Is that all upgraded?
Everything is every floor in here is new. 2 rooms got carpet, 1 room got wood, and the rest is ceramic. I built new walls in the living room and put the bottom half looks like rocks, and the top has been painted, and then the plumbing was turned all over to PEX, and the electrical was done, and so everything was done.
Gotcha. What about on the outside? Because when I'm looking at this image on Google Street View, looks like we have boarded up windows and some stuff going on. I guess on the post there in the corner, and I'm assuming that's stucco. Is the exterior been fixed up a little bit?
Everything, but yep, the exterior is all fixed.
Gotcha. We got new.
The only thing that, and this is kind of, I don't know how major it is, but there's a 4x4 window in our bedroom that, like I said, I plan on. I think I was going to do that today. Actually, just put a new window in there, and we're going to fix that. And there's a few broken windows, but those windows we broke them ourselves.
Gotcha.
On accident, but except the 4x4 was broke when we got here, but the rest of them just got broke during construction.
Gotcha. What is behind the house? Is there literally another house that shares a driveway with this property?
Yes.
Huh.
His name is Narcy and Annie. They're 95 years old. This house was empty 25 years when we got here. The only reason that it was still in decent shape is because he built the house and had a Hawkeye on it. You know what I mean?
Right. So that's very interesting because it says that the lot is 12,000 square feet. So is it kind of awkwardly shaped where it breaks?
It's very weird shape. Now, I did talk to Annie, the one that was behind us, because it's so weird shaped. I did ask her when we got here, I said, because you seem to own a small triangle of our front yard, can we have that back? And she said, yeah, you can have it. But, you got to fix the house up first. She's all sad, very sad about the house, because I guess, when she was little, she used to blah, 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 whatever.
Right.
And so she said, when it was all fixed up, that we could have that. But, that's not my concern anymore.
I gotcha. So if you had to anticipate how much dollar-wise, how much more work do you think I need to put into it?
Less than $5,000.
Okay. So $80,000 cash. That's the best price that you can give me. All right. What do I need to do to get moving in the right direction here with the homeowner? Do I need to have a conversation with them or?
Yes, let me give you the number, and just a second, let me get to it, okay?
Okay.
He's not well, so that's why I'm kind of trying to take control of stuff before I kind of weed out the BS before they all get to him. You know what I mean?
Would it be better if I just deal with you, since you're the one most knowledgeable about it?
Yes, in the end, but he wants to be a part of it. He wants to be a part of it, and so I'm to do that. And you can decide who. He ultimately can decide who he wants. He will decide. He will either say Andre handle it or I'll handle it. I'll leave it up to him. It's up to him.
Okay. What's his phone number?
I'm working on it right now.
Gotcha.
His name is Pat Mays, Maez. His number, are you ready?
Yep.
Got it.
Alrighty. Well, what I will do is I will call Pat. Should I call him now?
Yes.
Okay. I'll call him now. I'll have a conversation with him, and hopefully we can get this property bought from you guys. And what part of Kansas are you going to go back to?
We're from Topeka.
Okay. All right. Well, hopefully we can get you back up to Kansas here pretty quickly.
I really appreciate your time.
All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hello.
Hi, is Pat there?
This is
Hi, Pat. This is RJ Bates calling you about your property there in Peralta. I just spoke to Andrea about it. She was saying that you were interested in selling that property. Is that correct?
yes.
Okay. So I got a lot of information from her. She said that, she's kind of taking care of the property for you, but I need to have a conversation with you because you're the actual owner of the property. She said that you were looking to get 80,000 for the property. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. And I just want to ask you because, you're the owner. She said that quite a bit of work's been done to the property and it really doesn't need a whole lot to be finished up. Is that correct?
Right. There's a lot of work that's been done.
Gotcha. She said like new flooring and drywall and kitchens and bathrooms and windows and all kinds of stuff. So you guys have
Yeah, right. You will be everything.
gotcha. Okay. Well, I think I'm willing to give you the $80,000. I had a pretty extensive conversation with her about what was going on with the property. I took a look at it. I think it's a good fit for us. So I'd love to be able to send over a contract to you for the 80,000.
Okay, good.
What is a good email for me to send over the contract to you? Okay. And as far as timing goes, I know Andrea is currently there, but she sounds like she's pretty motivated to get back to Kansas. Are you okay with closing in the next 30 days or so?
Yeah, but that's we're in a hurry for it.
Gotcha. Okay. Well, what I will do is I'll write up this contract. I'll send it over to you. It'll come in the email. It'll be from Dropbox Sign, which is just like DocuSign. You can just sign it right there inside of the email, and then we'll be able to open up title and get the process started. Okay.
Okay, good.
All right. Thank you, Pat. Talk to you soon.
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye. Well, that was easy.